Hi, this is Lara from Not Enough Knitting. Today I'm going to show you the cable to back, or the C2B, without a cable needle. Now this is a very fun and easy cable that you can use to do without a cable needle because it only has 2 stitches. And if you're new to this is a great one to try. And in this video, I'm going to show you 2 different methods to doing this. So the first method I'm going to show you requires dropping a stitch and picking it up. If you're not comfortable with this of dropping a stitch, then you can try the second method that I have on this video. So what we're going to do with this method is we're going to switch positions of these 2 cable stitches. So we're going to take our right needle and we're going to slip it through the back loop of the second stitch. And then we're going to slip these stitches off the left needle at the same time. And this stitch, the first stitch, is loose here. So we're going to pick that up with our left needle. And then we're going to slip this stitch from our right needle back to our left needle. And now they are in a position to knit for the cable. So we'll knit both these stitches one at a time. And there is our cable to back. And then we will do this again for you. So we're going to switch positions of these 2 stitches. So taking our right needle, we're going to slip it through the back loop of the second stitch, and then we're going to slip them off at the same time, dropping the first stitch, and then using our left needle, we're going to pick up that stitch, put it on our left needle, and then our stitch from our right needle goes back to our left needle. And now they're in position to knit the cable. So we'll knit both these stitches one at a time. And there we have our cable to back. Very simple. And I will show you this method 2 more times. Okay, I'll show you the cable to back a couple more times. So taking your right needle, slipping it through the back loop of the second stitch, slip them off at the same time. Taking your left needle, grab this dropped stitch, slip it on your left needle, and then take this stitch from your right needle and put it back to your left needle. And there they are crossed the way they should, and then just knit both of these stitches one at a time. And there is our cable to back. And then we will do that one more time, just to show you how quick that this can become once you learn the technique. And there, 4 cable to backs without a cable needle. Slick and easy. My second method, though I'm going to show you, doesn't require dropping a stitch, and I actually prefer the second method better, but it's up to you to choose which suits you the best. So I'm going to show you another method to do the cable to back without a cable needle, and this is the method that I prefer. So what you're going to do is you're going to knit this second stitch of the cable, but you're not going to slip it off the needle yet. So you're going to bring your yarn in front here, and you're going to knit this second stitch. And then we're going to put our yarn in the back, and we're going to knit the first stitch. And then we will slip them off at the same time. And there is our C2B. And I'll do that again here, maybe a little slower. So we're going to knit this second stitch. We'll have to bring our yarn over the needle. We're going to knit that stitch, but we're going to leave it on the needle. And then our yarn's going to go underneath the needle, and we're going to you can use our thumb to push this stitch away, and we'll knit this first stitch, and then we'll slip them off at the same time. I will show you this method 2 more times. So knitting this second stitch in front of the first stitch, and then our yarn is going to go underneath this left needle, and we're going to knit this first stitch and slip them off at the same time. And there is our cable. And one more time. And to show you how quick this can become, it can become very quick once you have learned the method of how to do it. So there we have it, 4 C2Bs knit without a cable needle. So you choose which method you like the best. Good luck.